Turning your engine, then CY08KDJ. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Altimeter look nice. Under metal cover. Compressor on the good conditions. No broken. And on this side, engines looks good, as you can see. Starter, no damaged. Look as well on the gearbox. Everything's nice. And on this side, engine's looking good, as you can see. All windows on the good conditions. No water inside. And on the top, everything nice. On the bottom, no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, then CY08KDJ.